Hey, what's up guys? So today we're really excited to show you a different material. This time we're going to be working with some kind of reflective vinyl, and we'll be working with Happy Tree and Landscaping. And if you guys need any tree or landscaping services, don't forget to check him out. I'm going to leave their information here. And I also like to thank Raul, my primo, for taking good care of us. The day of the installation we had some rain and he fed us, he gave us drinks and everything. He took good care of us, so thank you very much, primo, we appreciate it. And now let's go to the video. The only thing I didn't like about this type of material is that it's really hard to make little detail images. As you guys can see right here, we're having a hard time weeding out. We are done, and this is what the final result is. And this is the other truck. Hopefully we'll get the images once it's dark to show you guys what we mean by reflective. Well, this is it for today's video, and we appreciate your support. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can call me to 317-246-9325, or you guys can visit our website at royaldesignsindie.com. And please don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our other social medias. You guys have a great day.